Today is our 31st day of 31 days of Japa mantra meditation. I hope you have enjoyed this journey with me. Today's mantra is Ananda Satya Ritam. Ananda translates as peace, Satya as truth, and Ritam as the rhythm of the universe. Let's begin. Sitting up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and gently close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in together and let it go. Feel yourself arriving in your meditation space. Setting an intention for this practice today. And let's begin the repetitions. Ananda Satya Ritam. 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 Now inviting a deeper breath into your body and taking a stretch whatever way feels good and right for your body right now. Let's place our hands together in prayer at the heart center. Let's take a breath in as we lengthen from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And as we exhale, we bow to our hearts. Namaste.